I'm going to show you how to remove your background image for free, and we are starting right now. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm John Henry from nayomedia.com. If this is your first time here and you're interested in learning how to make money online, start your own business and make your dream become a reality, then start by subscribing to my channel and click the bell button so that you don't miss any of my future productions. Today I'm going to show you a simple way to remove your background image without the use of Photoshop or any expensive software out there. And to do that, you simply go to Google and type remove, just type remove BG, and it's gonna take you to this page, and on this page you're gonna see remove background. You click on this very link. So when you click on it, you're gonna come to the proper website, which is www.remove.bg. I want you to take note of the website. It's remove.bg. So as soon as you're here, all you need to do is click upload image. So I'm gonna take a sample image. This is one of my images. I'm gonna use this as a sample, and it's quite fast. As you can see, the image is uploaded. The next thing, the background is removed. Bam, it's done. It's just one click. The image is removed in one click without anything. And not just only that, you got to remove this image as fast as possible. You can also change the background. If I want to edit this image further, all I can do now is to click here, click preview. See what's going to happen. Now I have the opportunity to make changes. If I want to replace the image with another image, I can upload a separate image here to replace this very one. If I don't want, I can select any of the templates here, which is I can change it to this. If you click on this, bam, the image is changed to something else. I can change it to this. Watch what's going on. I can choose any template. I can transform the image completely. Look at the way it is now. You can select any of this. You can put it in any template or any format or any background you like. It's not a problem. You see that? Okay, I can change it to this. And if I decide I don't want to use picture as the background, now what I want is to probably I decided I want to change the image. I want to use a color as background. I can change the red. I can use this. The image is changed. The background now is turned to red. I can also change to any color. This, and there it goes. If I want a specific color, like say I just want to select a specific color of my choice, and I can click here. If I know the hex code, I can replace this very hex code with the very color I want. I click OK, the color will be changed. So you can do multiple things with the image. You can transform your image, and do you know one thing? Everything I'm doing here is completely free. You're not gonna pay anything, right? So if you want to blur the image, so there is option here. Let's say there are some other images behind this very one and you don't want them to be visible in your own image. You can use this very blur effect here. Look at this, is the blur effect. You can blur it. So you can do many things with this very website, and it's all free of charge. If you want to erase it, you can click here and everything is gone. You can restore it to the original image. So going back to the background, now you can click here, you can erase, you can restore. All these things are functional and they're very simple. So when you're done with it, all you can do is just click download, and the images will just be downloaded straight away to your computer without any restrictions. So this is the simple way to remove background from any image of your choice without you paying for anything or using Photoshop or any other expensive software out there. If you want to restore the image to the original format, you can just click here. The image is back to the original format. And when you are downloading it, you have the option to download it as full image, which is 1080 by 1080. That's the right size of the image. And as you can see, there's a slight decrease in the image quality because I'm using the free version. If you want to get the original quality, a very high quality image, all you need to do is to subscribe. You need to sign up, then you got to pay a little money for that. But for now, if you are starting up, maybe you just want to do a quick design or graphic design of any kind, you can really use this website and do as many number of images as you like without paying anything. So this is what I need to tell you about removing background image for free. There are many other softwares out there, but I don't want to waste your time with that. This is the quickest and the easiest one anybody can use to remove background image. So with that, I come to the end of this very video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that, and share it with your friends and family on Facebook, on Instagram, or WhatsApp, or any other social media out there. And thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next